Plugging your Pigeon device into your skip timer network is incredibly easy. Just locate a hub with a free port. This one has all the ports free. It doesn't really matter which port you use as long as you use one of the 1 through 8 ports. The uplink port is reserved for communication with another hub. Now the Pigeon device comes with some very strong internal magnets as well as this anti-slip tape. So what that means is you can stick this thing nearly anywhere you've got a metal surface. I'm gonna just plug this into a port, and installation is as simple as that. Now, if you do have an MST14 device, instead of connecting to a hub, you'll be plugging directly into the back of the MST14 in the CAN expansion port. This Pigeon device, as you can see, is very easy to install. It's compatible with our SC12 control systems, our smaller MST14 mini skip timer, as well as grind products, which would be the GC12 and the MGT14. Let us know if you have any questions, and in our next video we will show you the interface and how to utilize the Pigeon device using the SRO online tools.